Hey folks, Dan Frio here with the opening bell. Today is March 11th, 2021. Do you know what today's anniversary is of? I don't know if that was good English. The coronavirus. So we got big news today though on employment, unemployment, the stimulus package, and more. So don't go away. We'll be right back. So the headline numbers out today is basically unemployment claims. We've had, for the March 26th week, there was 700,000 new unemployment claims filed. That was a little shy of what was expected. It's still hard to believe 700,000 new unemployment claims. Why? You guys kind of know my feelings on a lot of this. And again, no disrespect to those that are really suffering, but if I can make more money sitting at home on unemployment and the stimulus package, you know, you got to do what's good for your family. You probably stay at home to make more money, and it's net cash without you working. Maybe you work some side jobs for cash or whatever. I don't know. But there is a figure that came out also today. It's the JOLT index, JOLT. That's the number of job openings needing filled. 6.9 million jobs are going unfilled. So there are job openings, but with the stimulus package, again, you guys know how I feel on this. And again, there are people suffering. There's a lot of people not suffering though, that are just taking advantage of this situation. It's kicking the can and it's going to cause inflation, our taxes to go up, gas prices to go up, food prices to go up, and everything else. So your little stipend right now, and again, I don't mean a little stipend, your stipend right now is going to be sucked up by all the increases in prices and everything else, taxes, very quickly. And then you're going to pay for it over and over and over again. In regards to, you know, how much are you going to pay in gas prices? Oil prices are going up. We're going to dilute the dollar, the value of the dollar. So your dollar's going down. It's going to take more dollars to buy goods and services, food, energy, everything. So when you get that check, you know, most people, 50% of people are saving it. So save it, because you're going to need it another rainy day when your taxes go up, your real estate taxes go up, fuel costs go up, and food prices go up. So that's that part of that. So, and also today is the 1-year anniversary of when COVID came out. So it's kind of a gloomy day, but look at the progress that we made in a year. So, you know, good piece of the economy has recovered, and it continues to recover. So let's dig down into what's going on with the stocks, crypto, real estate, and bonds. So headline news right now: states lift COVID restrictions and mask mandates and reopen despite warnings from Biden. But if you scroll down here, it says weekly jobless claims rise less than expected. We just went over that piece of the puzzle. What's happening with the stock market? Dow rises 200 to another record. But I want to dig down in this a little bit. Jobless claims, like you see right here, the Department of Labor came out. There's 712,000 new initial jobless claims for the week ending March 6th. They were expecting 725. I still think that's a crazy number. Continued jobless claims at 4.144. Okay. So a lot of the backdrop of this is, okay, well, the nice thing is has been a COVID relief package that was issued. Well, let's dig in a little bit on one piece. And guys, I'm still working on this. I don't want to come out prematurely and give false information on the COVID package. But here's the troubling part of this. The plan's well-documented troubles have put the retirement security of millions at risk. Okay. So what they're going to do here is they're going to start helping states fund their retirement packages for union workers and all kind of things. Guys, here, let me say it this way. The COVID relief, I get it, where people need, you know, maybe some extra money in their pocket and so forth. Why are we funding pension plans that have them are a wreck anyways? Like in Illinois, our pension system is bankrupting the state. So why, thank you the rest of the country for bailing out the state of Illinois, but unless you fix it at the root. So you can pump in all this money and say, okay, we're going to make you solvent today. But you still have more money going out on a daily basis than you're taking in with all this money. Our pension system is a wreck, a complete wreck. So you're taking the COVID package and trying to fund something that's been in the works or been mismanaged for years and years and years. But I want to thank the rest of the country for bailing out Illinois, our pension plan, thanks to you guys in this COVID relief that has nothing to do with pension plans in regards to this. So I'll quit my ranting, but I will have as soon as I get all the nitty gritty about the stimulus package, I really want to lay it out to you guys, and then I'll start polling to say, how do you guys feel about this? Let's see if the polls that we conduct match what they're doing. Or is this just basically politicians paying back, people that they promised if they voted them in, we'll give you this perk, we'll give you this earmark, we'll give you this money, and so forth. Is it legalized bribing? Maybe. And I'll reach out and kind of say it that way. The next thing is, so that's what's going on with the markets right now. So you have all this money being pumped into the system. So what's that going to do for stocks? Well, people are saving it. 50% of the people are saving that money. What are they going to do with it? Well, they're probably not going to put it in their savings account. They're going to buy stocks and bonds and cryptocurrency. So here's what we follow on a daily basis, our watch list, and we're going to go through the staples. We got Google, Apple, and Facebook. What are they doing today? Google up 2, Apple up 2. Where is it? Facebook up 3.5. Awesome. We like this run. Guys, look at the green today. Look at the green. Okay? Enjoy it while you can, because all this money being pumped in the system is going to start taking away from you via taxes and higher cost of living. Guys, I'm not trying to be the gloomsayer. I'm just telling you the truth. Economics, simple economics. You pump a bunch of dollars into the system, it is going to devalue the dollar. It's also going to create inflation. Those are the two biggest things that we worry about. Okay, so this is where am I adding to my positions? Well, a couple areas, and I just added some today actually. There's a GUSH. It is the S&P Oil and Gas ETF. I added to my position a couple weeks ago, and I just added again today because I think oil prices and natural gas prices are going to go out the roof, and they are continuing to do that. Ford, I'm a player on Ford. I added to my position a little bit on this one based on the electric vehicle play that I like that they're going with. The next area is entertainment, leisure, and travel. I'm going with Disney. I bought Disney. I just added again to my position in Disney. It is up 1% today. Disney has TV with Disney Plus. They got cruise ships that are fantastic. They got theme parks, and they have a whirlwind of other things that you might not even know. You know they own ESPN. Bet you didn't know that. Okay, so that's that part of it. So I'm looking at natural resources and Disney for my travel and leisure. When the world opens back up, everybody's going to go to Disney. So now let's see what the cryptocurrencies are. And I added to my positions again today. Bitcoin Cash is down 3. I actually dumped a lot of my Bitcoin Cash and just moved it all into Bitcoin and Ethereum. But Bitcoin, if you want to participate in the Bitcoin rally, I buy GBTC. It is up 1% today. This is a company that basically is your play on Bitcoin. They also hold positions in Ethereum, ETHE. It's Grayscale. They're in existence basically to hold this asset, this cryptocurrency for you. It is up 2% today. I just increased my positions on Hive blockchain right here. It's up just a fraction. There was Kevin Leary. He's on Shark Tank. He came out and completely changed his thinking of cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin. He said it was a nothing burger for the longest time. Now he just came out and said, you know what, guys, I changed my mind. I want to get into Bitcoin. I think I should have all companies should have 3 to 5% of their assets in Bitcoin. What he's looking to do, he's going after miners who mine and they're green. They do it green because miners, it sucks up a lot of power and energy. He's like, I want a play that is green. Hive is that play. So my thinking is he's going to add to his positions in this or take this company over. That's just a rumor mill. I've been watching and studying this. I think this is a perfect fit in his wheelhouse that he might make a major position, put a major position or play on Hive. And that's why I just increased my position on Hive. The other one is Marathon. It's not Marathon Oil, it's Marathon Digital, Mara. It's up about 5% today. And Riot, it is up 6% today. I added back to all my positions here. I got booted out with stop losses. Went to levels that I liked again, and I added back to my positions there. Let's see if anything else is really taking off. 10% Clean Spark. I don't know what Clean Spark is. I'll be honest with you. Check this out. It's always moving, and I don't know if it's crazy volatile. It probably is. Here's another section right here that is semiconductors, but it is a 3x, meaning it tries to get 3 times the return of the semiconductor stocks by buying derivatives and other investment tools that way. It's volatile, so if you have a stomach for volatility, that is a play to do there. Otherwise, I would go with the PSI, and that's what I own. I own PSI. So that's that. MicroStrategies is a huge play into the cryptocurrency as well. So guys, as you're looking through this, you can pause the channel. I'm giving you things on my hit list that you should study. Cannabis stocks, they're on a roll. You got Frio up 3.5% today. Tilray up 3.5% today. Canopy Growth, which is cannabis, up 4% today. Aurora Cannabis up 2% today. Cronus Group up 3% today. The cannabis, what I'm looking at right now, just in a nutshell, I'm looking at hospitality, leisure, and travel, Disney, and adding to my Bitcoin in multiple ways directly through this, as well as blockchains and cannabis. So I hope you have a stomach for volatility. If you do, that's the way to go. If you don't, a way to play the market with a professional investor is Berkshire Hathaway. I own BRK/B, and this is managed by Warren Buffett, one of the history's best investor ever. And you can hire him at $263 a share to manage your money. So that's the way to do it. Now let's see what's going on with cryptocurrencies. We have Bitcoin up 1% today, Ethereum down 2%. The other positions I hold are Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to start depleting my Bitcoin Cash, moving that to Ethereum and Bitcoin. Litecoin is down 1.5%. Bitcoin Cash is down 3%. There's a slew of other cryptocurrencies, and here's a whole list of it. The site that I go to is coinmarketcap.com to follow these things. It gives you news and a whole bunch of other things, which is really cool. What's going on with the dollar? Should be down. It is down. Hey guys, this is finally following the market trends that we should be at. With the stimulus package getting approved and going out there, the dollar should start to devalue, and it's starting right now. You might see this starting to tick down. I'm seeing this hit 90 or below. That's my thought process there. What's going on in the bond market? U.S. Treasuries, 10-year Treasuries are up 1. This is the yield on this thing, just so you know. Over here, the mortgage-backed securities market is up 5. This is the price of the bond, the price. As the price goes up, mortgage rates come down. So we like this. If you want to find out more about this, check out my videos every night around 5 Central Standard Time. I talk about mortgage rates, bond market, and real estate. So if you'd like to check out my channel, please go to the Rate Update with Dan Frio on YouTube. There's over 700 videos, and we're just shy of 12,000 subscribers. So I hope you like what you see. Sorry for the lengthy time today. A lot of news to unpack. Good luck investing. God bless. I'll see you at 5 o'clock. Take care. Bye-bye.